Hi, my little nation is a fake Morphe palette. Now, as you can tell, one of my shades have actually came loose. Like, as soon as I unpackaged it, one of my shadows I thought was just completely missing, but it turns out it was just on top of another shade, which it won't make too much sense to you unless you guys see it. Okay, so this is how it came. And you're like, okay, so what do you mean? I mean, like, this shade right here is not actually that shade. That one goes there, but it keeps popping out of place. So I think I should just stop talking and get started. What do you guys think? This is supposed to be a 35E palette. Like I said, I did get this from AliExpress. So obviously it is not a real Morphe palette. So I just wanted this for my collection because I thought the colors were actually really magnificent. I mean, like, get an up close look at this. How beautiful, you know? So we're going to start off with this white shade right here. Okay. This peach shade right here. These are really soft. Wow. Those are really soft. And this pink shade. I don't know. I'm not that impressed. Shades look beautiful in the pans, just they don't swatch very well. But this could totally be like a Kat Von D moment where, if you guys watched my other video, I was comparing her palette to the Tammy X palette from Makeup Revolution. The Kat Von D one, however, was not swatching the best on my hands, but performed beautifully on the eyes. So that totally can be a factor in this palette right here. Maybe it doesn't perform well on my hands or swatch really well, but on the eyes it does. We are going to try this shade, and this shade, and this shade, and this shade. Wow, these actually look really nice on the fingers. But let's just see how they swatch. Wow, okay, this green shade. Okay. Alright, how about, oh my goodness, this shade. Alright, that one just ruined it. I was in a moment, and then the last two shades ruined it for me. But this is the top row of the fake Morphe 35E palette. This green though, oh my gosh, do you guys see this green? Hold on, I'm like yelling in my own house. There's no one else here, but I'm yelling. Okay. Look at these, okay. Now, I did get this from AliExpress. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Back to swatching, oh my god, I really do think I have like ADHD or something. Okay, so here's these shades that I'm going to swatch. These don't have names. I know like some of the Morphe palettes do have names, but on a on like a separate paper or something. I will talk and swatch for you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that swatched really weird, by the way. Okay, so here's these, and then look at this one. It's swatched in like a really thin line, but these shadows right here are really pretty. With this purple, and this blue, and this green right there in the middle. Okay, that was really terrible. Very chalky, powdery, I should say. So this is the second row of that palette. My fingers are a little stained from those shades, but they're clean, promise. Okay, so going on to the third row. You know, I did say I wasn't going to swatch all of these for you guys, but I think I will. Because, you know, that'd be completely unfair to show it to you and not swatch it for you. Swatch me outside, how about that? Me as a makeup palette. Here we go. These are actually pretty. Didn't swatch the best. You can literally see all the powder chunks like in the swatches. Maybe not on camera, but trust me, they're there. You can see it probably from this angle. Yeah. So I'm doing these three. I'm lying. I'm doing these three. There we go. These three. I really want to do a look with these shadows like on my eyes. I really do. So who knows? I might just start a look. Okay, and here is the third row. So we only have 2 more rows left. So I'm going to, I keep saying so, like I'm going to say something important. So, no. Okay, first 4 shades on the 4th row. Okay, this gold shade though, I'm loving that. Well, that is so pretty. Okay, and for the last 3 shades of there, I am going to swatch those. These look pigmented. Wow, this one. Ooh, look at that. Makeup makes me so happy. Ooh, this purple. My face is so ugly. Okay, I'm gonna lay that blue right there. Ooh, that's a really nice like navy blue. This purple though, it's really pretty. And this blue is giving me life. That is so pretty. So we are on our last row. Can you believe it? It's already taken almost 12 minutes in real time. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this down, but just letting you know we're at the 12-minute mark. God, I just washed my face and everything, and I'm oily as hell right now. Okay, so this one, that one. And we're just gonna do 3 and then 4 next time. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. No, we're not. Okay. Okay. You know what? Might as well. I'm gonna do my thumb for this one. Ooh! That was like a slight howl. I just slightly howled there. I was like, oh. Alright. Woo! This last row. Oh my god. What? What? Look at this. Look at these. Ooh, 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 ooh. That last row was bomb. Right here, this shade and this shade was our last shade. This black. Okay. Here, ooh. Okay. The black, like I said, did not show up as well. It's sheer. It's like a sheer black. But this color was what made me go ooh, because look. This is what I'm talking about. So pretty. And like I said, it was like under $10 for this palette with free shipping. But it did take like a month to get to me. Like maybe actually probably like 3 weeks to get to me. It was from AliExpress. This is a fake palette. Okay, so leave some comments down below. Which one was your favorite row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I don't know. I think 5 definitely was my favorite row because these shades are like, okay, work. So yeah, that was it for this. And I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, see you then. Bye.